Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Please open your books and open page number 30. Yesterday we did the question answers and words meaning of our lesson Anansi and 5, and today we will be doing the rest of its exercises. Please keep your pencils in your hands. There is an exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the story. These blanks have been chosen from your story, okay? So you are quite familiar with the blanks. A is, Anansi was trickster and he was having a dash time, difficult time. Anansi peeked through a gap in the witch's fence. C is, he imagined that what delicious food he would find. D is, a scurrying sound pulled Anansi from his daydream. E is, she walked to the nearest mound and stood on it. And the last is, Anansi grinned and showed all his sharp teeth. Hope you have completed the blanks. Now come to the next page, students. On page number 31, there is an exercise. See if you can find the answers to the following descriptions. Unscramble these 4 words to use in the spaces. First of all, it is important for us to understand that what do we call these scrambled words or jumbled words. What do we call them? We call them anagrams. And what are anagrams? Anagrams are words or names formed by rearranging the letters of another. Or you can say an anagram that has a meaning opposed to that of the original word or phrase, right? Like these words. The first word which we unscrambled is doctor. But beneath you can see, this is the, or you can say the rearrangement of letters they have done. Second is dentist. When we unscrambled it, we got the word dentist. And the third is nurse. And the last is teacher. Now we are going to fill the blanks. A person who treats people who are sick, doctor. B is, a person who looks after people in a hospital is a nurse. You see, we are going to, as they have said, that you will first unscramble these words and then from these given words which you will find out, you will fill the blanks. C is, a person who helps children to learn is a teacher. And the last is, a person who looks after people's teeth is a dentist. Hope you have enjoyed the activity, students. Okay, come to the next activity. Who are the following people? Write 3 or 4 sentences. No, we are going to skip this. We will be preferably do this activity now. The opposites of these words are still in the story. Find them. Okay, the first is easy and the opposite is difficult. Its possible opposite is also hard. Hard is also the opposite of easy. But what they have instructed us that we have to find out the words from the story. Okay? Nearest, farthest. C is unkind, kind. D is displeased and the opposite is pleased. Appeared and the opposite is disappeared. Loved and the opposite is hated. G, low and the opposite is high. H, light and the opposite is heavy. Pleasant and the opposite is unpleasant. As I have told you that there are, if they would have talked generally about these opposites, there are more than one words which are possibly can be, they can be possibly opposite, possible opposites of these words. But here they have instructed and bound us to use only the words given in the story. Okay. So this is all about our today's activities. The rest of activities, inshallah, we will complete in our next session. Till then, stay blessed and good.